welcome. So in this particular tutorial, I'll be teaching how to create a birthday flyer from scratch. I just saw this idea, this idea just popped up and I decided to just do something creative. Okay, so what you're seeing now is a birthday flyer that I designed from scratch actually, and I used Canva. Okay, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so you can be getting updates. Okay, I'm getting premium tutorials. The last tutorial I dropped was on Canva, the overview of Canva. So if you've not watched that video, please go back and watch it so you can understand the functionality of Canva. All right, so I explained in details how Canva works, all the tools and their functions. So I'll just go to Canva to just walk you through how I came about this and how I did this. Then you can explore, you can be creative enough to explore and do better. Okay, so yeah, that's what design is all about, creativity. All right, so you open your Canva. I'm using the premium version, and if you have not gotten the premium version, just reach out to me and I will give you access to the premium version of this app. And also I have an academy where I teach how to become a professional graphic designer. Okay, you can also hit me up on that for more details. Okay, so yeah, you can hit me up on that with in the numbers on your screen, just a WhatsApp message, and I will respond to that. So let's quickly go through that. So the first thing is you click on this. Okay, just one moment. Okay, so I'll click on this plus sign that I'm seeing here. So tap on the plus sign and then custom size. Then we're going to be using the flyer size, that is 1080 by 1080, which is the custom size for flyers, for Instagram posts, or the square size. Okay, so as you can see here, is even actually displaying it, you can see. So just tap on, you can just tap on it or tap on create new design. So just tap on create new design to just you see your work area. Okay, so just wait for it to initialize, and so we'll just start bringing in all the resources. I'll walk you through how I did that. Okay, so you're not new to this actually. If you watch the last video, you will understand how these tools work. Okay, it's what I explained in the last video. That's what I'll be working with. So the first thing we do is to just wait for it to initialize. Okay, so the first thing we do is to come to this upload. Okay, we'll bring in our or first of all, let me come to elements first of all. So elements, select elements. Then I said you can search for anything here, right? So on this search bar, we'll be searching for birthday background. Okay, so birthday background. Now Canva is a great app, like especially when you're using the pro version, you have access to so many resources. So birthday background, birthday background, and you're gonna just wait for it to so you can see different backgrounds. If you're not using the pro version, you'll be seeing you cannot access some of these templates and some of these backgrounds. Okay, so I'll just go search for the one I actually used. The one I actually used to create what I showed you. I just click on this arrow so I can see all the backgrounds. Okay, so see beautiful background, so you can pick any of them. So I want to actually use the one I used actually, the one I used in that tutorial, in the design I showed you. So I'll just wait for it to initialize. Okay, this was what I used. You can see this is what I used. Okay, so I'll just select it. Okay, so when you select it, you come here, you expand it. You expand it. Okay, so we can expand from these points. Okay, so you just expand this to actually make it cover the so something like this. That's what I used. Okay, so background is covered. So then the next thing I did was to click on the plus sign and then bring in upload. Come to you are seeing upload here. Okay, pretty simple. Come to upload and upload the image. So the person, okay, upload the file. If for you for you to upload a file, just come here, upload, click on upload file, then select the image from your gallery. Okay, but I'm using this image, so I'll just use this. Okay, then I would duplicate it. So I'll just click on this plus, this that this particular point. Okay, so just tap on it. It will be duplicated. It will be having 2 of it. Okay, so then this one I will bring this one down, then the second one I will just increase it. Okay, drag it. Yeah, so let me just put this one at this point. This one I'll just drag it to make sure, yeah, it covers this. Yeah, so something like this. Then what I will do is I'll tap on it and make it transparent. So I'll just come scroll. You see this transparent icon, you can see it here. So I'll tap on transparency, then I will reduce it. So yeah, so it could give us that kind of fainted background. Okay, so just take it to like 17. Then I would yeah, so it should be well adjusted. Okay, once you're seeing this red line, means it's at centralized. So after I've done that, I can come here, tap on this, tap on the other little one I brought. Yeah, tap on it, and then just I'll have to position and bring forward, so that yeah, it can be, yeah, can bring forward. Okay, so I can be yeah, it can be at the, yeah, so I just bring it somewhere to the middle. Okay, so after I've done that, the next thing I will do is to actually bring in my text. So tap on this plus sign, and then I would come to element again, elements, and I would type. This time I'm going to search for happy birthday text. Okay, so I need a kind of fancy text. So happy birthday text, I've already searched for it before. So you search for it, it's going to pop out different text designs. So I would see the one I selected here. So this was the one I used. Okay, so I just tap on it, and then yeah, so you can see that it matches, the color of this text actually matches with the background. Okay, so yeah, good color combination. So everything is in place. I'll just place it here, just reduce it a bit, just place it somewhere here. Yeah, okay, yeah. So and then I will now type a top and tap on my plus, then I'll come to text, then I will just add the heading. As you can see, I tap on the first one, then I would edit, tap on edit, and then I will type the person's name. I just use Jay-Z. I just actually just came up with that. Okay, not like the guy's name is Jay-Z. So then I'll just come here, then I'll click on fonts to change the font. So I use the font called intro something. So just search for the fonts here. This is where you search for the fonts. Okay, so I use this intro script. I think it's this intro script I use. Intro scripts. Yeah, I think yeah, the intro scripts. Yeah, I know it's intro something. Shall the intro script? It's intro script I use. So I will just come here. I'll just come to font size. I will increase the size a bit. I think this is what I use, intro script. I don't know if it was the font. I don't know why it's very bolded, but let me go to my bold. Okay, remove the bold. I'll come to, so this is where I came to this format. You see this place that you have B on, so you can unbold and bold and unbold. If I bold it, it will be bold, so I don't want to be bold. Yeah, so something like that. That was what I used. So I just took it up a bit. Okay, so that was how I came about this stuff. So yeah, that was what I just actually played around it. So you can see that it's looking clean. I actually added one flower like that. So I just come to that plus sign, same element, come to element, and I'll type in. I searched for circle outline. Now this element, you can search for anything. That's what makes Canva unique. You can search for any resource that you want. So I searched for circle outline. Okay, circle outline. Yeah, circle outline, and then it gave me something like I think it gave me this was what I actually used. I used that. Okay, so just tap on it. You could search for flowers, you could search for cake, anything that is actually related to birthday, but so this was what I used actually. So what I did was that after adjusting it, then I came to, I want to take it to the back, so I came to position, as you can see, then backward, so it will go to the back of the image. Okay, so then I would increase it a bit and then just bring it down. So that was what I boom, that was how I actually did it. So you can see that good design is up and ready. So that's basically how to do it. So it's just, design is just actually playing blending your background, blending your text, blending your image together to create a design. So you can explore and create more, and then so after which think I'm done. So what I would do is, next up is to save. Okay, so I just hit that button I just pointed to now, save, and that's all. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and also share. Okay, if you got value, just drop a comment in the comment section, and if you want access to the Canva Pro, just hit me up with the number on your screen and send me a message. Okay, and I would guide you on how to get it. All right, thank you very much. I still remain Prof Sammy. I will see you in another tutorial. Thank you.